Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Let's do a little update. We're gonna step outside and show you what we got going on. It's about 82 or 3 today, so not too bad. It's great. Nice breeze. Let's go take a look at the goats first, then pigs, show you what we have going on with the chickens, then we'll come back inside, show you how many we're incubating, when they'll hatch, and see what we have in the brooder. Let's go. Alright, let's go check on the girls and the boy. Alright. Well, so you can see we moved out their stuff so they have things to climb on. We'll go over and say hi to the boy, although these guys may not want us to first. Abraham, come here, Bubba. Come say, oh, stop it, you're fine. Come here. He is very angry because all of his ladies have left him and he is by himself now. He has this whole pen to himself. We will be eventually looking for a friend. Hi, Bubba's. He's not very happy right now, but he will be fine. I don't think we've introduced you to Clover. This is Clover. She's about 1.5 years. Not registered, but she has given us milk. That one right there is Poppy. She's also in milk. Random chicken who escaped the coop. We'll get her in tonight. I'm being eaten here by multiple. Wow, hi guys. There's Linda, she's looking good. Bridget. And sweet Martina, huh? Ouch, that's my leg, girl. Gretchen. Gretchen! Pretty girl. Sweet Gretchen. Now don't let them fool you. Just because they were over here, they can get out all over. They were just resting when I came out here. Hi, Gretchen. Are you jealous somebody else is getting pets? Huh? Ma'am, that's my leg. Quit chewing on it. Ma'am. Alright, let's go check in on the other ones. There's Miss Athena. Yes, she is shaved very short. That's what happens when you try to kill the person shaving you. It'll grow. It'll be okay. There's Doll. She got shaved too because she was excessively hot. I mean, constantly panting. Poppy also got shaved. We're trying to put some weight on her. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. Yep, that's all 8 girls and the boy. They're doing good. They really are. Linda. She's looking up in that window. Our dog is watching, so it's throwing her off. It's just sorry whiplash there, but they try to eat the trees. Not gonna do it while I'm watching? No, you want Mama's attention. Always. little pocket goat. Alright, let's go check on everything else. They'll probably follow over here, and that's okay too. Alright. Pigs are good. They're hiding in the shade right now. They still have their shelter, and 2 waterers going. Main mud puddle. The waters need to be filled. Hi, Big Pig. Major. Daniel's going to turn a lot of this into, along this fence line right here, we're going to make 2 coops, 1 on each end. And he's going to cut out, he's going to use that as the back, and he's going to cut out, make a door so we can collect eggs just from right. Our house is there, come out, collect eggs, put it back up. And the run will come out. And it'll be that, the length of the fence, so that'll be nice. He's gonna work on that. We've got their water bucket. Our mower can only go for so long, then it needs a break. We are up to 10 hens and a rooster. We just put the hens in, so, or the new 5 in yesterday, so we're getting them acclimated. Like I said, there was one on the other over by the goats, but that's okay. You guys are fine. Y'all are fine. We're in a shady area. My little wasp friend is home. Prefer to not be home. Oh, hi. A couple eggs. So that's good. The one that got out, I wonder where she laid it. No, ma'am, you're not getting out. I have to find where she decided to lay her egg today. Then we come over here. Make sure our meat birds are doing good. Oh, I'm gonna have to get them some more food. That's okay. I don't mind doing it. And then, so Daniel got this fenced, and we don't have anything planted because we need to go through the tiller 1 or 2 more times through there. But we're getting close. We're gonna plant. I was planting in that bed, and there's fire ants, which is fine, but found out I'm severely allergic to them, so that was a bad situation. Let me make sure I have 1. Let's do a count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where's my 12th chicken? I feel like I'm missing a bird. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So I'm missing a bird. It's nowhere to be seen. And no clue where it would have got out at or how. And I have no holes in my tractor. So I'm thoroughly confused right now. Huh. So there's that. I was going to say we have 12, but we have 11 right now until I figure out what happened to the other one. So that's interesting. and it's nowhere to be found. Huh. Anyway, so right now, back there is the back fence line. That's what Daniel's working on. And other than that, I mean, there's a lot getting done, but not a lot of major changes. I'm going to try, maybe while he's doing some fencing or some of these projects he has going on, I'm going to see if I can film some of it for you guys. I know I've been really bad about it, but I'm going to do my best to start that. You can hear Abraham's not happy. There, I'll sneak up on them so they can't see me. I promise, see, they do go out and graze. They don't just hide. Alright, let's go look at what's inside. So here's our eggs. They go in lockdown on Friday. I'll keep you updated. Turkeys, Orpingtons, Easter eggers, all up in here and under there. I gotta change out their bedding and fill their water, so I'm gonna go do that. I will try to keep you updated about the missing chicken, go figure, and everything else going on. The turkeys will go out soon, probably in another week or so. Turkeys are fragile, so we're being really careful, even though it's been warm here. I don't want to set them out until they're ready. First doe should be end of July, so we have that coming up. Kids are about out of school, so everything should start lining up real soon. Until next time, you guys, may God bless you. Bye.